Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, ay binili ako na talaba or oyster. So, na-steam ko na siya ng ilang minutes. And gusto ko siyang i-try. First time kong mag-try ng talaba. So, how to open this guys? I think here. Ano ba? Dito siya. No, hindi mo open this. Okay. Okay, sorry. So, let's try. So, yun na nga. Pumunta ko kanina sa Bangkerohan to buy imbaw shell kasi gusto ni Yuri yan. And nakita ko to, talaba. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Look. Tama ba ito? Sarap kaya ito guys. So, since wala akong kalamansi or lemon, ito na lang yung nilagyan natin. Ito here. So, let's try. Sana hindi magsakit ang tiyan ko. No. Let's eat! Hindi ko naman nalasahan yung talaba. Kasi yung suka yung lasa, nalasahan ko. Hindi ko masyadong lasahan. Let's try another one. Pero I'm not going to put ano na lang. Hindi natin lagyan ng suka. Oh, ito pala talaga yung itsura niya. Yan. Okay. Walang sauce or suka. Sarap siya. Guys, try nyo. It's good. It's really good. Yeah. This one's big. Oy. Hard to open na. Okay. Here you go. In fairness, parang fresh pa siya talaga. Let's put a little bit lang. Okay. I'll reserve this for Yuri later. Para matry niya rin. But these are big. Really big. Okay. I'm done with 3. Actually, half kilo ito. It cost 75 pesos. So, I've already tried it. Hindi na ako ignorante. Goods! Bye!